An exciting new addition to the Bertazzoni line is our flush mount built-in refrigeration, available in 30 and 36 inches. A key aspect of the Bertazzoni refrigeration is the ability to install it truly flush in a 24-inch deep cabinet. On the interior, you will find intuitive controls for temperature management. The unit features white metal interior with extra bright LED lighting. The refrigerator features a dual evaporator and dual compressor, as most do on the market today. Our side placement of the evaporator not only provides a unique lateral airflow for consistent temperature, it also provides additional depth for more usable space. In addition to the normal freezer function, the Bertazzoni refrigerator can be used in flex mode. This mode converts freezer to fridge with just one switch. The Fresco mode offers a temperature range of 30 to 34 degrees, extending storage of fresh foods for longer periods of time. As you can see, this elegant built-in flush-mounted refrigeration not only completes your Bertazzoni kitchen suite, it will exceed your performance expectations.